fællessang, skal vi ikke? Okay. Vi tager den her Dog Shit in My Garden, og for at dem hjemme i stuerne også kan få lejlighed til at følge med, er der tekster under. Den går sådan her. There is a dog shit in my garden, and when I cut my grass, the dog shit is no longer in my garden. It is sitting on my foot, so I smell like a doggy's ass. And that is not the smell of Elizabeth. You can't have women and cookies and a strawberry, but there is nothing as bad as a doggy's shit.
That was the Danes showing their mastery of the English language. If that song appeared on Top of the Pops here, the protests of Mrs. Whitehouse might well be drowned out by the protests of Mrs. Woodhouse. It's never wise to tell the British that dogs have an unlovable side, or at any rate an unlovable end.